The bald eagle is America's best-known bird of prey, but the real story is how it lives by water and turns air, light, and patience into food. If you find big lakes, wide rivers, or a windy coastline, you're in eagle country. They ride rising air like an elevator, then switch to low, steady glides that waste almost no energy. That efficiency is the secret behind their size and power. Bald eagles are fish specialists, not constant fighters. Most of the day is waiting and watching from a tall perch with a clean view. Their eyes are built for distance, about 4 to 5 times sharper than ours, so they can lock onto a fish's flash from hundreds of feet up. A short, fast dive and a forward reach of the legs turns a fish near the surface into a meal. When an eagle hits the water, it doesn't spear the fish, it grips. Each foot has 4 needle-sharp talons and a rough, sandpapery pad that helps hold slippery prey. If a fish is too heavy, the eagle may skip across the surface to reach shore, or let go and try again. The hooked beak does the fine work of tearing once the bird lands. Fish dominate the menu, but bald eagles are flexible. They'll steal from ospreys, pick up waterfowl, rabbits, or carrion, and visit salmon runs like a moving buffet. In winter, many gather at dams or open water where fish are concentrated. This varied diet helps them survive when ice locks up a lake or storms keep waves high. Life centers on the nest, called an eyrie. Bald eagles build some of the largest nests of any bird, massive stick platforms lined with softer material. Pairs reuse and add to them each year, so a nest can weigh as much as a small car after seasons of building. They usually place it in a tall tree near water, but along treeless coasts, they'll use cliffs. Courtship is bold but careful. A mated pair will circle together, call, and sometimes lock talons in a controlled spiral before breaking off. They're mostly monogamous and defend a territory around their nest. Timing depends on latitude. In the south, eggs can arrive in late winter. Far north, spring comes later, and so does nesting. The female usually lays 1 to 3 eggs. Both parents incubate for about 5 weeks, trading turns to keep the eggs at a steady, warm temperature. Chicks hatch covered in gray down and grow fast on a rich diet of fish. Parents tear food into small bites at first, then deliver larger pieces as the chick's strength improves. Fledging, first flight, comes at around 10 to 12 weeks. Young eagles practice by wing flapping in the nest and hopping between branches. Even after they launch, they beg from the parents and learn by copying how to select a perch, how to angle a dive, and when to give up a chase. Survival improves with each smart decision. Juveniles look different. They're big, dark birds with mottled white on the belly and underwings, and their beak is mostly dark. The famous white head and tail arrive slowly over 4 to 5 years. That changing look helps us tell age in the field, which is handy because many young birds wander widely before settling. Bald eagle voices may surprise you. Movies often dub in a red-tailed hawk scream, but eagles give a series of high, thin chirps and whistles. It works just fine for close communication between mates, at the nest, or during mild disputes. The posture and size do the rest of the talking. Daily life is deliberate. Eagles spend hours perched, preening to keep feathers aligned for smooth, silent flight. They bathe in shallow water and drink by dipping the bill and tipping the head back. At night, they sleep while perched, locked in place by a tendon in the foot that tightens when they squat, so they won't fall. Migration depends on ice. In the north, many eagles follow thaw lines south, tracking open rivers and coastal water where fish remain available. In the lower 48, birds can be resident year-round if winter stays mild and food is steady. Big fall and early spring gatherings along rivers are often a sign of moving fish and moving eagles. Competition is constant, but energy math rules behavior. Stealing a fish from an osprey can be quicker than catching one, so eagles will chase, harass, and force a drop when it pays off. They also scavenge deer carcasses or fish kills, which saves calories on cold days. The goal is not glory, it's the next safe meal. People nearly pushed them to the brink in the 20th century through shooting, habitat loss, and pesticide effects on eggshells. Legal protection, the DDT ban, and focused restoration turned the story around. Today, bald eagles are a recovery symbol and a reminder. Protect clean water and tall nest trees, and the eagles will handle the rest. If you want to find them, scan skylines for a huge dark bird with a plank, straight wing posture, or look for a clean white head and tail near water. Watch patiently. When the wind picks up or fish start moving, the bald eagle shows you what mastery of air and light really looks like.